Can you believe we made it? We're at number 8. Agencies can make money in 8 ways, and now we've landed firmly at number 8. So the 8 ways are new business, retention, coverage improvements, cross-selling. Then we have carrier management. We have expense management, fees, and finally, firing unprofitable customers. So why we are passionate about firing unprofitable customers is no secret, and every business is almost the same. The least desirable customers take up the most of our time. And what ends up happening is the least profitable customers tend to be needy, they tend to be grouchy, and our team tends to jump through hoops because they don't want to get barked at by them, or they think, I'll just get this done and then I'll get to the good customer. And psychologically, we really struggle with going ahead and prioritizing sometimes accounts. Now, I'm not saying fire your needy customers, I'm saying fire your unprofitable customers. So if you run some simple reports and put it in Excel, you'll find here's all of our customers, here's the revenue, and here's the number of activities we did. Lo and behold, you'll find that the bottom 5 to 10% are really costing you. And these are probably also 5 to 10% when they call in, everyone's like, oh, what the heck? So you as the agency owner have to make some decisions on what are you going to do about these accounts. These tend to be the pay in cash or walk-in payments, lots of moving things around, lapses in coverage, not great for your loss ratio, no one likes them, and honestly, some other agencies or carriers just do it simply better than you. If you could cut the dead weight on your clients and reinvest it through training, think about our agency performance pack school, you might have thought about buying it and having access to retention training and cross-selling training, but no one's got any time. Imagine if you got rid of the people taking up all the time and invested in your team. But the bottom line is we need to always be looking at this. Now, it's uncomfortable to fire clients, and it's uncomfortable because we've made it such a big deal in our heads. We have this thing called the freaking first times, and you can rearrange the first F of freaking with any F word you choose, by the way. The freaking first times mean the first time you do it, it's going to feel terrible, and then it's going to get better. Once you fire 5 to 10 clients, you'll realize it's not that big of a deal. Just simply tell them or call the underwriter and say, we no longer want to write them. Can you cancel their policy? Say, hey, we don't think we're a good fit for you anymore. Or just call them up and be direct. Hey, after looking at your account, we're going to choose that next year you need to find a new agent, and here's Progressive. Or work it out with another agency who maybe specializes in that type of business and see how they can help them. But the bottom line is you need to have a strategy to let go of the worst clients so that you can focus on the best clients. This happens to me. I have a lot of policies. Oh, she's nice. She'll call later. No big deal. She'll be fine. Guess what? The reality, unfortunately, of the situation that we have is that you can keep bumping me off, but my 16 policies, because maybe I'm more complicated and you're dealing with the low-level stuff, it doesn't fly. It doesn't make me want to refer business either. So think to yourself, how are you going ahead and firing the last customers, the ones that are really, truly draining your resources? And if you reinvested that time, how quickly could you make that up? I guarantee you, it's pretty darn quick. So that's our mashup for the week. And we're going to do our mashup tomorrow, which is going to have all sorts of fun stuff in it. We're going to go over the 8 ways. You're going to have the last 4. And if you've liked this, make sure you like it, comment, share it. These videos are a way that we get the word out about our company. And we don't have any sponsors, so we're doing this all for you guys. So make sure you give us a little fee for tuition and like and share our content. Thanks so much. Hey everyone, you might have seen that we're launching our latest course, which is how to plan and execute your agency's roadmap to success. And what a great time to do it, as we all should be focused on end of year planning and looking at next year. Well, I want to let you in a little secret. We're doing our first ever pre-sale, which means that from October 4th through October 11th of 2021, you can get it at our most discounted rate before it's even ready. That means that during this time frame, you can get it for $395, where during our launch, it'll go up to $495. And then after that, it goes up to $995. So if you're at all interested, we recommend you lock it in now. You can buy it between the 4th and the 11th of October. And then on the 15th, it'll be automatically available to you. So we just want to get a few people in the hopper that are super excited, clear it off your to-do list. And this course is going to be amazing. The workbook is outstanding. It will literally let you unplug from your agency, sit down and clarify your vision, what's working. We even have management system report guides so that you can pull data from AMS 360, Hawksoft, and Epic and know what you're looking at. We're going to have your team get a little engaged with getting some feedback from them. And then we're going to tie it all together with incentives, a clear way to roll out your vision, and how to hold your team accountable to that vision all through 2022 and beyond if you lather, rinse, repeat this process. This is a huge opportunity. And I know for so many agencies, we struggle sometimes with end of year planning, or we make our plan, but we don't communicate it with the team. Or we make our plan and we communicate with the team once, and then that's the end. So all I want you guys to do is to think about it. What could be better than having me walk you step by step through how to create your agency's success roadmap and then how to execute it and hold people accountable? For $395, it's worth it, but it's only available until October 11th, 2021. So don't wait. We'll see you soon.